Good morning, John here. Here's the, I'm going to try to show the lowers here without showing the mess above. That's too bad. But yeah, these are the doors and drawer fronts that I got in. These are a German drawer. I really like them. It's like a metal side, and then you make the plywood bottom, and then the front, and then it's a soft close. Let's see there, looks like that. Pretty nice. And then the doors. I think I did those are supposed to be soft close. There we go. It's got to be farther out. But I think I was showing a drawing of the uppers that I'm going to make. But I used 5/4 pine and just a 1/4 inch maple panel, and I'm not sure if I'm going to stain them to match the oak or if I'm just going to put a clear. I'm kind of leaning towards a contrasting with just a clear finish, but then all the uppers are that drawing that I had in my shop. It's the center section it's deeper, and then the two side and side are foot deep with an arch top. So anyhow, yeah, that's the look here. Alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.